Your Honor, I asked the court to take judicial notice about what the weather was like on the date of the accident. Objection, says the defense attorney. Counselor, do you have a weather report for me? Why, yes, I do, Your Honor. Let me show you the certified copy of the weather report certified by a meteorologist who indicates that the weather on the date of the accident was 27 degrees. Very good. The court will take judicial notice that the weather on the date of the accident was 27 degrees. You want to learn what that's about? Come join me. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. When something is common and we ask the court to take judicial notice of something, it means that we ask the court to recognize that something which is so obvious should be recognized by the court and accepted as a fact. Now, there are certain things that the court will not accept this fact, and in that instance, they will require some type of certified report by somebody who's a specialist in that particular area before actually recognizing and accepting that basic fact. So when an attorney wants to get the weather into court for the purposes of establishing what the weather was like on a particular date or time of the accident, then the attorney will need to prepare a certified copy of a weather report to submit to the court in order for the court to recognize that that was the weather on the date of the accident. The court will not accept our word for it or a witness's word for it other than to describe what his or her memory was. Instead, if we want them to take judicial notice of a particular fact, we now have to support it and show that this is something that is regular and ordinary and is obvious. And if we can't show that, then we have to confirm it using some type of evidence. So that's what it means when an attorney says, Your Honor, I'd like the court to take judicial notice of this fact. Why do I tell you this? I tell you this because chances are you have questions about your particular accident. And this is what I do every single day. I answer questions just like yours. And you can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at lawmed10@yahoo.com. I'm Gerry Oginski here in New York. Thanks for watching.